Electromagnetism, Unit 16, Physics Class 10th. Question 1. The device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called answer generator. Question 2. What is the unit of magnetic flux? Answer Weber. Question 3. Which rule determines the direction of induced current in a conductor? Answer Fleming right hand rule. Question 4. What is the phenomenon of inducing voltage in a conductor due to changing magnetic field? Answer electromagnetic induction. Question 5. What is the purpose of a transformer? Answer to increase or decrease voltage. Question 6. Who discovered electromagnetism? Answer Hans Christian Ørsted. Question 7. What is an electromagnet? Answer a temporary magnet created using electricity. Question 8. What is the SI unit of magnetic field strength? Answer Tesla. Question 9. The magnetic field around a current carrying conductor is in the shape of? Answer circular loops. Question 10. The device used to measure electric current is? Answer ammeter. Question 11. What rule is used to determine the direction of the magnetic field around a conductor? Answer right hand thumb rule. Question 12. Which of the following is a property of magnetic field length? Answer the from closed loops. Question 13. Electromagnetic induction is the process of? Answer generating electricity using a magnetic field. Question 14. Magnetic field lengths around a bar magnetic are? Answer cuboid. Question 15. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction was discovered by? Answer Michael Faraday. Question 16. A galvanometer measures? Answer current. Question 17. Increasing the current in a solenoid will? Answer increase the magnetic field. Question 18. A setup transformer? Answer increase voltage. Question 19. What does a transformer do? Answer change the voltage of AC. Question 20. Electromagnetic waves do not require a? Answer medium. Question 21. The core of an electromagnet is usually made of? Answer iron. Question 22. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is? Answer strong and uniform. Question 23. The frequency of electromagnetic waves is measured in? Answer hertz. Question 24. A device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is called? Answer motor. Question 25. The speed of light in a vacuum is? Answer 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. Question 26. Electromagnetic wave consist of? Answer electric and magnetic field perpendicular to each other. Question 27. A moving charge creates a? Answer electric field magnetic field. Question 28. The voltage produced by electromagnetic induction depend on? Answer the speed of motion between the coil and magnet. Question 29. An electromagnetic strength can be increased by answer increasing the number of turns in the coil. Question 30. Which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? Answer sound waves.